I bet you didn't know that you can actually add sound effects to your PowerPoint presentation. In today's video, we'll talk about how to create your own unique sound effects and how to add them into any PowerPoint presentation. If you're wondering why you would even use sound effects in your PowerPoint presentation, here are some benefits to consider. Instead of presenting a typical presentation, sound effects can enhance audience engagement. You can use sound effects to emphasize key points, and you can also let your creativity shine. If done well, it can really add a nice professionalism to help you stand out from the rest. And it can also help facilitate storytelling. So maybe you have some ideas of sound effects to use in your PowerPoint presentations, but where do you find some? With Genny, you have access to pre-made sound effects that you can easily download to your computer, or you can use AI to create your own unique sound effects. Simply write a prompt for the type of sound effect that you're looking for, and Genny will provide you with a few options. And you can always play around with the writing prompt and regenerate the sounds until you find exactly what you're looking for. Then simply download the sound to your computer. Now let's talk about how to add the sound that you created into your PowerPoint presentation. At the menu at the top, select Insert and Audio. Then simply choose the audio that you just downloaded from Genny and insert it into your PowerPoint. Then you can easily customize the playback options. So you can browse through the menu where you can change the volume, choose when the audio should start, and other customization options like looping the audio, hiding the icon so you can't see it during presenting, or playing the audio across all slides. And you can also choose to have the audio playing in the background. So there you have it. Here's how you can easily add any sound effects into your PowerPoint presentation. If you'd like to give Genny a try to make some of your own sound effects to use in your presentations, click the link in the description below for a 14-day free trial. And don't forget to like and subscribe for future tips.